How to log into YouTube on iPhone. To unlock full features on YouTube, you need to log in. Here's how to sign in on iPhone. Launch the YouTube app from your home screen. Right here. Tap on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner. Then click Sign In. Choose an existing Google account or add a new one. Accept the terms and conditions and you'll be logged in and ready to enjoy all YouTube has to offer. You're now signed in. Time to start exploring and uploading. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.